Hello, friends. Welcome back to Golden Age Health, where we talk all about how to feel stronger, move better, and age well with grace. If you're over 60 and feel like your muscles aren't what they used to be, maybe you're noticing more weakness, slower movement, or difficulty standing up from a chair, you're not alone. That's called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And get this, after age 60, we can lose up to 3 to 5% of our muscle mass every decade if we're not actively doing something about it. But don't worry, today, we're going to fix that. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful foods you should be eating every single day to fight muscle loss, rebuild strength, and stay active naturally. And we'll also talk about 3 common foods that quietly damage aging muscles, so you'll know what to avoid too. Stick around until the end, because number 1 is often missing from senior diets, but it's one of the most important for rebuilding muscle after 60. Ready? Let's jump in. Before we dive into the foods, let's quickly understand why we lose muscle with age. As we get older, a few things start to happen. Our hormone levels decline, especially testosterone and growth hormone. Our appetite decreases, which means we often eat less protein than we need. And we may move less, which sends the message to our body, we don't need this muscle anymore. The result? We lose strength. Balance becomes harder. And we're more likely to fall, feel tired, or struggle to do everyday tasks. But here's the good news. With the right foods and gentle movement, your body can absolutely maintain and even rebuild muscle, even into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. So let's talk about what to eat. Number 5 is Greek yogurt. This is a superstar food when it comes to reversing muscle loss. Because it's packed with high-quality protein, especially casein and whey, which are slow and fast-digesting proteins that help rebuild muscle tissue throughout the day. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt has around 20 grams of protein, more than most people get at breakfast. It also contains calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for strong muscles and bones, especially important if you're at risk for osteoporosis. How to eat it? Try having Greek yogurt in the morning with some berries and a few chopped walnuts. Just make sure it's plain and unsweetened. Many flavored yogurts are loaded with sugar, which can actually harm muscle cells over time. Number 4 is lentils and beans. These humble pantry staples are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and magnesium, all crucial for muscle function. Now, you might be thinking, but I thought only meat built muscle? That's a myth. Studies show that older adults who eat more legumes, like lentils, black beans, or chickpeas, have better muscle mass and strength, especially when combined with light physical activity. Plus, beans help stabilize blood sugar, which prevents those energy crashes that make us feel weak or fatigued. How to eat it? Add half a cup of cooked lentils to a salad, soup, or rice dish. They're easy on the stomach and budget-friendly too. Number 3 is eggs, nature's perfect protein. Eggs are rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a direct role in triggering muscle growth, especially important after age 60, when our bodies stop responding to protein as efficiently. Just 2 eggs in the morning can give you about 12 grams of protein plus healthy fats, B vitamins, and choline, which is great for memory and brain health too. The best part? Eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and versatile. How to eat it? Scrambled, hard-boiled, or as an omelet with some veggies. Just try to limit frying in too much oil. And yes, the yolks are safe. They contain most of the nutrients your body needs. Number 2 is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which do more than just protect your heart. They actually help reduce inflammation in muscles, making recovery and rebuilding easier. A recent study found that older adults who ate omega-3 rich fish had significantly better muscle strength and size, especially when paired with light resistance exercises. Fish is also high in vitamin D, which helps your muscles contract properly and supports bone strength. How to eat it? Try eating 2 servings per week. Grilled salmon, canned sardines on whole grain toast, or a tuna salad with olive oil can go a long way. And if you don't like fish, consider a good fish oil supplement. Just check with your doctor first. And the number 1 food that helps rebuild muscle after 60 is Whey protein. Yes, A protein shake can be one of the simplest, fastest, and most effective tools to stop muscle loss in its tracks. Whey protein is easy to digest, packed with all 9 essential amino acids. Fast absorbing, meaning your muscles get what they need quickly. And studies show that just 20 to 30 grams per day can slow or even reverse sarcopenia when combined with light movement. How to use it? Make a simple smoothie. 1 scoop whey protein, 1 banana, half a cup berries, a handful of spinach, water or almond milk. That's it, fast, tasty, and muscle repairing. Look for grass-fed, unsweetened whey isolate if possible. And drink it within 30 to 60 minutes after light activity or your morning walk. Bonus, 3 foods to avoid if you're over 60. Now that you know what to eat, let's quickly cover 3 foods that silently harm your muscles. Number 1 is processed meats, like sausages, deli meats full of chemicals and inflammatory fats. Number 2 is sugary drinks, soda, sweet tea, and even some juices spike blood sugar and weaken muscle over time. Number 3 is white bread and refined carbs. These cause rapid insulin spikes that promote fat gain instead of lean muscle. Cutting these out and adding in the foods we mentioned today can make a massive difference in your strength, energy, and confidence. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Golden Age Health for weekly tips on living strong, aging well, and feeling your best after 60. Question for you: which of these foods are already in your diet? And which one will you try first? Comment below. I love hearing from you. Stay strong, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.